Hello, Bear Tavern. It's Mr. Turnbull again, and I hope you're ready for an awesome Earth Day tomorrow. Remember, you can pick up seeds anytime at Bear Tavern between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. But if you have your own seeds, that's okay too. We're going to have a bunch of different seeds that we got from the New Jersey Agricultural Society. We also have seeds from a bunch of sunflower seeds and purple cone flower seeds that are from the actual Bear Tavern outdoor learning area garden. But what we want to do is get our hands on some seeds, and I want to challenge everybody because certainly we can plant our seeds in the dirt, and there's some great ideas to do that. And we have an actual YouTube channel from a friend of ours from the Princeton Day School underneath called The Gardening Classroom. But what we want to do is to have some fun and to really challenge our thinking and to think like a scientist with our seeds. And scientists do experiments. And I put some links below this that explain what a controlled experiment is and some other cool plant hacks to give us some ideas for what we can do. And when we do an experiment, usually, we have a variable and a control. And the variable is something that changes, that we do differently. For instance, if I grew two plants and I wanted to see how much water affected the plants, I could put them both in the same spot and have the same soil and same everything else, but just change the amount of water that I put to see which one does better. What we want to be careful of when we're being scientists is to change too many variables, and variable means change. So if we took the plants and put them in two totally different locations and watered them differently, we wouldn't know which one affected the way they grew, whether it was the location that they were in or the amount of water. So just remember, when we keep the plants, when we do different things, keep them as similar as we can, except for the thing that we're experimenting with. And you can do lots of different experiments, but always make sure that within the experiment that you're looking at, you're keeping track of that you're doing everything the same except the one thing you're testing for. And some cool ideas that you wouldn't maybe normally think of are, some of these are in the video below and some we just know. There's actual people that take a banana and you can poke a hole in the banana or cut a hole and you can put a seed right in it and put that banana in the soil and put another seed in the soil that's similar and see which one grows better. And people say that potassium does something to, and that's what's in a banana, does something to seeds as they grow. I won't tell you. Maybe that's something you want to do. And there's another idea. There's tea bags. This is a used tea bag that I have. And when you take the tea bag and cut it open, you can put the seed right in it and put it on top of the soil and put another seed in the soil near there and see if the nitrogen in the tea bag does anything different with the seed. So that's examples of experiments where we change one little thing, we change a variable and see what would be different. Some other things to think about as we're thinking about our seeds. Eggs, do you have eggs at home? When you get done, you have this really nice cardboard container, and that's really great to have different seeds in, and you can change some different things within each little pocket and see if that makes a difference. And these can go right on top of the soil as well. So no matter what you do with your seeds, we want you to have fun, and we're going to ask you, if you do something cool, to measure your seeds every once in a while. Take a ruler and just see how high it's getting week to week, and maybe post a picture to our Twitter page at #BearTavernPride. If you include that, we'll all get to see it. So if you take your seeds, we want to see how they're doing, how much they're growing throughout the whole spring and into the summer. I think we're going to have a lot of fun, and there's no wrong way to do it. We're going to do a lot of cool things, and however you choose to grow your seeds, we want to know how you're doing. And if you grow all of your seeds and some of them do well, maybe when we get back to school, you can bring those plants back to Bear Tavern and we can put them in the raised beds at Bear Tavern and we can kind of continue your gardening back at our school. So we're really excited to share the seeds with you, but we're going to try to, like we always do at Bear Tavern, take that learning a step further, have a lot of fun. Remember those words that we talked about when we do an experiment. The variable is that one thing that we change so we can keep an eye on, but it's really important to keep the other things about it the same, so we know exactly what made the difference, and we can say, like a scientist, this is what changed the way that the plants grew. So good luck. We hope that you have a great time and a lot of fun. Please share your results with us. Let's go. All right, have a great day, everybody. We'll see you soon.